Hi, Auntie B. What you doing?
Oh, hi, Cian. I'm just repairing these old ballet shoes. Now, what can I do for you?
I need to find out about bears for a bear dance.
Well, I couldn't bear to see you stuck. Did you get it? Bear
yeah.
to see you stuck. Bear to see you stuck. Una, bears, please. Showing bear. There's me with a grizzly bear.
They look so cuddly.
He might look cuddly, but he's not. A hungry grizzly bear will eat pretty much anything it can catch. There's the sloth bear.
Nice hair.
And, of course, many people's favourite, the panda bear.
What's he eating?
Bamboo plants. Giant pandas eat lots and lots of them.
I didn't know there were so many kinds of bears. And don't forget, koala bears.
Cian, I'll have to stop you there. You see, koalas aren't bears. They're actually marsupials, which is a completely different type of animal.
Koalas aren't bears. Wait till I tell Cormac.
Hey, I think it's time for a
Brilliant animal fact.
Brilliant animal fact.
Did you know some bears can sleep for more than 6 months without eating or drinking? In winter, when food can be hard to find, the bear finds a comfy spot and goes to sleep until the spring arrives. It's called hibernation.
Brilliant animal fact.
Auntie B, what about a bear move for our dance?
Well, they do a lovely lumber.
What's that?
You see the way they're taking slow, heavy steps? That's the lumber.
I like it. Does look a bit clumsy though.
Well, it only looks clumsy because bears walk on the soles of their feet.
But do all animals not walk on the soles of their feet?
Oh no.
I don't get it.
Aha! Leave it to me. I'm Auntie B. So, there you are, walking along on the soles of your feet like all humans and bears. Una, scan bears, please.
Wow!
Now, up on your tiptoes.
This is a bit harder.
Maybe harder for you, but not for cats and dogs. Look! The only part of their foot that touches the ground is their toes. The rest of their foot is raised up. Next, you need these. Now, up on the points of your toes like a ballet dancer.
This is hard, Auntie B. The only parts of my feet touching the ground now are my toenails.
Now you know what it feels like to be a horse.
Sorry, Auntie B.
Look! Horses, cows, and sheep all walk around on their toenails. That's what hooves are.
Hooves are toenails. I get it. Can I be a bear again, please?
Sure. You know, bears might not look as graceful as cats or horses, but they can run very fast. Una, speed up, please. In fact, for very short sprints, a grizzly bear can run as fast as a lion.
Auntie B, I think this might be a good time to pause.
Showing paws.
No, no, pause, please.
Showing paws.
I'm getting tired.
Showing paws. Una, pause treadmill, please. Treadmill paused. Thanks, Una. I hope that wasn't too unbearable for you, Bear.